Have you ever started your car and seen your tire pressure light come on? Most of the time it's because of low tire pressure, or you might have a nail in your tire. Here's how we patch a tire at Berman Auto Group. When we find the object that is causing the leak, we grab a pair of pliers and take it out. Then we mark the spot where the hole is with a crayon. Next, we remove the valve stem to release the tire pressure. Next, we use a drill to make the hole bigger. Then we go to the bead breaker to break the bead that seals the tire. Then you can remove the tire. And we grind the surrounding area where the puncture is to create a smooth surface. Apply bead sealant to the buffed inner surface of the tire. Grab your tire patch and remove the plastic. Push the pointy part of the patch through the hole from the inside of the tire. It helps to use a pair of pliers to pull the pointy part through the hole. Use a roller on the patch on the inside of the tire to remove any air bubbles and buff the surface. After that, you should use bead sealant on the inside of the tire. Cover the entirety of the patch and some of the tire. Next, you let it dry. Now we reinstall the tire. Grind off any of the remaining bead sealant with an angle grinder. Apply bead sealant on both sides of the rim. Lubricate the inside and the edges of the tire. Push the tire back onto the rim. This will secure the back of the tire. Pry the other end of the tire onto the rim using a twist motion. Make sure the tire completely pops onto your rim. Reinstall the valve stem core and pressurize the tire. Use side cutters or scissors to trim the pointy part of the patch to match the tire. Then we reinstall the wheel and you're good to go. Our technicians at any of our Berman Auto Group locations are trained in handling and assessing flat tires and tire needs. So if you're ever surprised by a flat tire, come see us at any of our service departments. No matter what, Berman Auto Group has you covered. Visit any of our service locations for any of your vehicle needs. Thank you for watching, and make sure to stay tuned for more with Berman Auto Group.